Drawing an angle here that maybe you can see this part of the process. I'm going to install the hour hand and the minute hand. They have been cleaned in naphtha. Just going to press this onto the hour wheel. And you should see it rotate around. It's moving fine. I set the hour hand at 3 o'clock. And then the minute hand I will set at 12. Now this minute hand on these Timexes and second hands, but minute hand in this particular watch is bent down on one side, and that of course would go down toward the dial. The way that I do this is I use a piece of Rodico. I bend it to a point and I pick up the hand, and then I set the hand at 12. Now, there's a lot of play in the gearing of these old Timexes. It's very tough to get it exact. But oftentimes you can bump it a little bit with a piece of your peg wood. To get it. And then repress it and make sure it's tight. That should be it. Now, you want to double check and make sure that the minute hand is above the hour hand. I like to double check it to midnight to see if they both basically line up at midnight. And you can see they're pretty close. That's not the way to do it here. To get them both in line. You can, that's not even doing it. There's movement in here, the gearing. So it's pretty good. Next, we'll be removing the valve stem, the crown, casing the watch.